Hello, I welcome you to this podcast. My name is Kenny Fashipe. I'm your host, and today I'll be talking about how you can make money, at least constant money, as little as $100 monthly from your music online. I've mentioned this in majority of my seminars, and now I believe it's time for me to create a podcast on this subject. This will allow those who may not be aware to be informed and also take necessary actions. Listen to me. If you have already distributed your music to big online stores, then you should be generating revenue from it. As an independent artist, you may not be making large amount of money or same amount of money as well as known artists and those signed by record labels. However, you should still be able to earn approximately $50 to $100 every month. Now listen, when I talk about digital music distribution, I'm not referring to only putting your music on platforms like Audiomack and Boomplay. If you have already done that, then I wish you good luck. What I'm talking about here is distributing your music to all digital stores. I mean all of them. Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Tidal, Pandora, Deezer, and lots more like that. That's the only way you can truly make money from your music. If you've done that already and still do not see any earning, then it is clear that you are yet to discover the correct approach. Distributing your music to all digital platforms involves making your product accessible to potential buyers. Now let me pose a question. What do you do to attract buyers when you have a remarkable product on the market? The answer is very simple. You need to promote your product. Now I understand what some individuals may be thinking. I've already shared my music on social media, but I haven't seen any results. Okay? The truth is that solely sharing your music on social media will not generate income for you. Let's just get that fact. While social media can be a very powerful tool if you use it effectively, simply posting your music without a strategy may not yield the desired outcome. Moreover, it's important to note that only your friends and their acquaintances will be aware of your music. That is, even if those your friends manage to like or share it. Their reach may be very limited. Unfortunately, not all those people you consider your friends may actually be your friends, your true friends. Instead of streaming your songs, they might only engage through likes and comments, which does not contribute to your financial success. I offer a comprehensive course on 7 secrets to start earning money from your music as an independent artist. If you are interested in this course, feel free to contact me for a normal fee. However, in this podcast episode, I will share one of these secrets with you. By having your songs featured on a popular playlist is one of the easiest way to earn money through your music. With just Spotify playlist, you can earn a minimum of $20 to $50 every month without any difficulty. And if you are lucky, you can make even more. Among all the streaming platforms available, Spotify stands out as one of the most widely used and stable options. It also serves as a valuable tool for independent artists who want to start earning money from their music. Many artists, including myself, have found success through this platform. So how can you get your music on Spotify playlist? The first step is to ensure that your Spotify profile is verified. This is very important. This verification adds authenticity and credibility to your music, which can help attract more listeners. Moreover, once your Spotify artist profile is verified, you will gain access to Spotify for Artists. Spotify for Artists is a very powerful tool. It provides numerous opportunities for artists. So, if you are an artist, you have your music on Spotify already, and you have not verified your profile, do that as soon as possible because this is very important. After you have verified your profile, with Spotify, the next step is to reach out to Spotify playlist curators. These curators create playlists that cater to specific genres or mood, giving your music a chance to be discovered by thousands of potential fans. To increase your chances of being selected by these curators, find playlists that align with your music style and submit your tracks for consideration. By following these steps and actively seeking opportunity within the Spotify community, you can increase the visibility of your music and potentially earn money through playlist placements. Having your song featured on a popular playlist can be a lucrative opportunity for earning money. That's one secret. If you manage to connect with a curator who has around 1 million followers on their playlists, and your track secures a spot in the top 10, then it is likely that your song will accumulate 1 million streams by the end of the month. Let's break down these potential earnings. I want you to understand it very well. On average, Spotify pays artists between $0.003 to $0.005 per stream. This means that every 1,000 streams, an artist can expect to earn at least approximately $4. When you are able to connect to a popular playlist that has around 1 million followers on their playlists, that means you're likely going to have 1 million stream if your music happens to be one of the top 10. Then you could potentially earn about $4,370 that month. Of course, this exact amount may vary depending on the terms or the contract with your distributor, but it is not uncommon for artists to earn up to $3,000 from 1 million streams. So, when your music is streamed through this Spotify playlist alone 1 million times, you are going to realize at least $3,000 from that single playlist. Well, as good as that may sound, I want you to know that it may require investment to collaborate with curators who have a significant number of followers. There is a saying in my native language that goes, "You have to spend money to make money." One positive aspect is that once you reach 1 million streams, you are likely going to continue attracting a steady stream of listeners. That's a good one there. So, having your music stream on Spotify alone through a popular playlist can be a lucrative opportunity for your earning money. That is secret number 1. And I know that even knowing this secret alone will help you to have at least steady income on a monthly basis from your music online. I hope I have convinced you that it is possible to earn money from your music without relying on any promoter. If you need assistance with distributing your songs digitally or connecting with Spotify playlist curators, even on verifying your artist profile on Spotify, Apple, or any of these platforms, please feel free to contact me via my email, music@kennyfashipe.com.ng. I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you for listening. See you again next time. Bye for now.